All right, here's the finished spread. I think it turned out super cute. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from CDB planner prints. I have a few half boxes left over, and then I have these weird little ends of the lovely planner side thing. Anyway, throwing that in my leftovers. Sorry if the lighting's a little weird. It's very sunny and it creates weird things. Anyway, so things not in the kit, the bottom washi, the bottom one is from Michaels. The other one is from AliExpress. This checklist is from Lovely Planner Blog. I already showed you I trimmed off the tops and the bottom. These are all from Creative Cavern Studio. This is from Piper Paper Company, Happy Planner. This is from an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. This is the Prairie Planner, that same Agenda 52 book, same Agenda 52 book and Prairie Planner. Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, that same Agenda 52 book. This is a leftover from My Planner Life UK. This is from that Agenda 52 book, and everything else came from the kit. So I think it was like a pretty effective use of the kit, and I got a lot done without having to add too many extra things. But I think it turned out super cute, and I really like this last Halloween spread for the year. I'm gonna have a few more spreads, fall-related spreads for the next couple of weeks in November. If you already saw my video of the kits I'm planning to use in November, then you'll know that. And then we're going to be moving on to holiday themed kits for December. So very excited about that. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know what your highlight of the week was, or if you have anything else you want to share, maybe kits for December, things like that. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.